Hi all, Ankit Krishna this side, First Year Fleet team, and I welcome you back to my channel. So I just have taken entry, and there is a strangle. There are two strangle here. First one is 18,000 C and 17,700 P, and second one is 18,000 C and 17,650 P. Okay, so my SL for the day is what I will be doing. जैसे ही ये 26 पे जाएगा, so I will be shifting this to this. Okay. और अगर ये 20 प्लस क्रॉस करता है या फिर 20 पे भी आता है देन आई विल शिफ्ट ऑल दीज टू दिस इज़ द प्लान फॉर मी. आई रिपीट, अगर ये 26 पे जाएगा सो व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग, मैं इसका सारा निकाल करके मैं वापस इसमें डाल दूंगा. ओके और अगर ये 1920 को क्रॉस करता है, 20 को लगभग क्रॉस करता है, देन आई विल शिफ्ट दी 17650p to 7700p. Okay, these are the adjustment point for me, and I will keep on holding this. As of now the running profit is 2 points. Okay, so and if you will see the chart of Nifty, so here see market पहले तो ये लो और ये इसके लिए एक अच्छा जोन है, मतलब कि इसके लिए एक अच्छा सपोर्ट जोन है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. ओके, सो आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि इसे बहुत ईजिली ब्रेक करेगा. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड, ऑन द अपसाइड दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड जोन. ओके, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वाइड डेटा ऑल्सो वेट. ठीक है, huge put writing is happening, but at the same time look at the call writing here. Okay, there is a call writing that is happening, and here people are forming their straddle. Okay, so I'm not expecting any big move as of now. It might sustain in this range, and as of now running profit is 3 points, so it might sustain in this range because of the Y data. The Y data is supporting neither the up move nor the down move. Okay, why? क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे तो पुट राइटिंग बहुत हो रखी है 17800 पे, जो कि एक अच्छा सपोर्ट होगा इसके लिए. एंड ऑन द अपसाइड लुक एट दीज. ओके, कॉल राइटिंग इज ऑल्सो हैपनिंग अ लॉट. ओके, सो बोथ पुट राइटिंग एंड कॉल राइटिंग इज हैपनिंग. सो लेट्स सी हाउ मार्केट मॉल टू बी. And on the basis of chart also, why this is a very good support, look at this. Many a spike has came here, and after then a downfall has came. So this might be a selling zone for the market in the short term. Means by saying short term I mean to say at least market will see a pressure here today. Okay, अगर नहीं मिलता है फिर directly ये है इसका zone. So I will do the adjustment on accordingly. Okay, so I will give you update later on. Okay, then a quick update. Time is 9:35. And if you can see from a MTM of positive 8.5k 9k, I am just up by what 2k 3k. Yeah, and this happened only because of one reason, that is this put has spiked a lot, hell lot. क्योंकि मैं आपको यहाँ दिखाता हूँ मूवमेंट, देखो आप, कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं आया मार्केट में. मार्केट इज रेंजिंग इन जस्ट 10-20 पॉइंट्स, एंड दिस वन हैज स्पाइक्ड वेट फ्रॉम 17 to 22 point something. Okay, in a matter of what these अगर 5 मिनट के चार्ट पे मैं दिखाऊँ, ठीक है, तो आप देखो बस दो कैंडल में ये 17 पॉइंट समथिंग से 22.5, मतलब कि 5.5 पॉइंट का 5.5 पॉइंट्स का ये मूव दे दिया है. एंड और मूवमेंट भी इतना बड़ा नहीं है एक्चुअली. हाई से गया अगर आप देखो तो 20 पॉइंट्स का मूव आया, बट दिस स्पाइक्ड बाय 5 पॉइंट्स. सो दिस इज अ थिंग हियर. ओके, लेट्स सी. I will keep on holding this, and what is the adjustment from now is, मैंने आपको जैसे बताया था कि अगर ये 20 टच करेगा, तो ये 20 टच नहीं किया था, 90 पॉइंट समथिंग टच किया था, तभी मैंने यहाँ का सारा पुट निकाल कर इस पर डाल दिया था. ओके, सो नाउ द एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट इज, अगर ये 24 टच करेगा तो फिर मैं इसका हाफ क्वान्टिटी फिर से निकाल कर इसी पर डाल दूँगा. ओके, सो हाफ या फिर फुल क्वान्टिटी भी मैं इससे निकाल कर इस पर डाल दूँगा, या फिर मैं 18,000 का सी को कन्वर्ट कर दूँगा 18,050 पे. गॉट इट? So this will be the adjustment point for me for now. Okay, I will give you update later on. Okay, then time is 9:54, and a quick update. The running profit is 4k 5k like this, and what happened now, this down move has spiked this particular premium. Let me show you the premium, how much it has spiked to 29. Can you believe it? From a low of 17.4, it has spiked to 29. Okay, and it is a move of what, almost 12 points. And if you'll see from high to low, 84 to 835, which is almost 50 points, right? But still look at the movement in the premium of put side is spiking a lot, and because of that what happened, at a point of time I was just 2k or 1 point something k above, and I was up by almost 8.5k like this. So let's see. I have taken entry in this strike, which is 7900 and 7750. Okay, so this is a strangle for me now. Although this is just what 50 points away, and this is almost 100 points away. So I know there is imbalance in the strikes, but the premium is quite quite what I can say, quite balanced in such a way that I have to take a position this way, कि मुझे पुट को थोड़ा दूर रखना पड़ा और मुझे कॉल को थोड़ा नज़दीक रखना पड़ा. अदरवाइज द प्रीमियम इन द कॉल साइड इज़ नॉट बैलेंसिंग द रिस्क ऑन द डाउन साइड. गॉट इट. अगर मार्केट यहाँ से नीचे जा रहा है तो कॉल पुट जितना स्पाइक कर रहा है उसे कॉल कॉम्पनसेट नहीं कर पा रहा, and that is the reason why I have taken the strike lower in the call side as compared to the put side. Okay, so this is the thing. I just wanted to tell you this, otherwise it would have made means confusion to you कि मैंने ऐसा position क्यों लिया. Okay, so I will give you update later on. Okay, then quick update. Time is 10:18 and as of now the MTM running is at 1k 2k or means break even. ठीक है. So from a positive 4k I went till 8k 8 point something k, and again from there I got a drawdown, and it's only because of this thing. This put got my SL hit at a very bad price. Not I would say bad price actually, but this got my SL hit. I was trying to be very not conservative, aggressive actually. Okay, how I kept these SL at very far away, and that got hit, and that is the reason why from a good MTM I went till negative this one. Okay, because I was of the view that market might consolidate. Okay, but look at the move. Okay, market is continuously moving in this way, so can't help it. Let's see what will happen in the trade. Okay, I will give you update later on this. Okay, then quick update. Time is 10:30 almost. So running profit and running loss means running MTM is almost break even or 1 point negative as of now. Okay, at a point of time I was down by almost 11k, that is 5 point some points. Okay, and the maximum SL for me today is 20k. Okay, और 20k ये मेरा अभी SL होगा, और उस अगर यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो what I have done, so a lot of adjustment actually I have to do. Why? Look at the move. Okay, these are very drastic move actually. So from a high, and this high only, not this high, because this is the recent high. So 870 it has reached to 777, means a 95 points of fall, and again it is going up, and 50 points is almost done. Yeah, almost 50 points is done. So this is the way market is moving for now. Let's see कहाँ पे अभी ये मूव करता है. ठीक है, और मेरा वही मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ, मेरा मैक्सिमम एसएल फॉर द डे इज 20k. ओके, अगर वो हिट हुआ तो आई सिंपली हैव टू टेक द एग्जिट. I don't have any other way out. Okay, let's see. I will give you update on this later on. Okay, then quick update. Time is 11:22 and as of now the MTM is running between plus 2k to negative 3k. Okay, it is ranging in this range only. In a matter of no time it will reach to 2k positive, and after then in a matter of no time it will reach to negative 3k. So this is how it is ranging. No decay I am getting at all for now. Okay, let's see whether I can get any decay or not. By the way, looking at the premium also, there is a difference in the premium, but this is happening why, you know. Look at this. When market is going up, when I do any adjustment here or here, then suddenly market fall and it gave a fake out. Then here also I have to do some adjustment. Then if here I have done any adjustment, then market will rise. So this is how market is behaving today. It is not running in one direction, first thing. Second, even if it is running in a sideways zone, but the range is big, and the range is big, I know that. But the thing here is now, more than the price movement, premium is moving a lot. Okay, premium is moving very widely. Okay, क्या हो रहा है कि जैसे ही मार्केट इज मूविंग फॉर अराउंड, फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस जोन, ओके, फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, दिस इज जस्ट 20 पॉइंट्स ऑफ मूव, but in that case what happened, this from 24 it reached to 31 32. Let me show you on this chart also how this premium is behaving. From 24 point something it is to 32. Can you believe it? 7 points of move in a 20 points of movement in the Nifty index only. Okay, so this is how premiums is behaving. So let's see whether when it will just stabilize. It has to actually, because today is Wednesday, so I'm expecting a decay, and that is the only reason why I'm still in the trade. Otherwise I would have just take the exit with break even or something profit. Okay, but I haven't, and the SL for now is 37.2 in both cases. Okay, if anyone get hit, then I will simply switch that side, one strike above. This is the adjustment for now. Okay, I will give you update later on. Okay, then quick update. Time is 12:10 एंड एज ऑफ नाउ रनिंग प्रॉफिट इज़ 2K. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन, मैंने पूरा रिस्क यहाँ से निकाल दिया. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू प्ले वेरी रिस्क ड्रॉप नाउ. ओके, and market is continuously moving this way. Okay, so it's not like big moves are coming, it's just that puts are behaving very wildly today. Okay, and that is the reason why I haven't made any profit till now, but it will eventually come. That's what I feel like. So what is the adjustment point for me now? What I'm doing कि मैं यहाँ से हाफ क्वान्टिटी शिफ्ट करके 700 पे भी स्विच करने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, व्हेन इट विल रीच 13.8. ओके, जैसे ही 13.8 13.9 जाएगा मैं इससे हाफ क्वान्टिटी स्विच करवा दूंगा. Okay, this will be the adjustment point for now. There's nothing more to tell about anything because it's already 12:10 and still no decay has happened. Okay, and it is, even if it is happening very slowly. And I have seen a MTM fluctuation from 8.5K positive to negative 11 point something K, and then again to positive something. And this is ranging from, I have told you that this is ranging from 2K positive to 3K negative. Okay, like that. तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Okay, I will give you update later on. Okay then, so a quick update. Time is 12:33 and as of now running profit is 5K 6K. So I am about to do an adjustment here. What I will be doing, I will shift few. Okay, I have to do this, wait a while. Okay then, I have done it. See, so what I have done, मैंने यहाँ से इसका कुछ lots निकाल कर मैंने इस पे डाल दिया and I will keep on holding this only now. Okay, till the point this again went till 14 point something. Okay, so if this will reach to 14 point something, I will again switch this to this one. Okay, this will be the adjustment for now, and there's nothing more to tell you about anything. Okay, this is still running very smoothly, and it has to, because the time left is what 2.5 hours more in averaging. So I'm expecting till that point only it will they all together will decay almost 3-4 points at least. Okay, so let's see if this will happen, then I will simply book it at 11K 12K profit today, because this day I was expecting a bit more, and that's why in the initial if in the initial part of video also you have seen that I was trying to play very aggressive by trading in nearby strikes. But now when I have seen that they became a kind of dormant by not decaying, okay, so I had to switch to the far OTM OTM strikes, only cause of that I don't want to give a big risk if I'm not seeing a big reward here. Okay, I just have to maintain my RR. So from here my maximum risk which I'm taking is 10K. Okay, so as and when it will hit 10K negative, I will simply take the exit. That's it for the day. Okay, then I will give you update later on. Okay, then final update. So time is 1:04 and I have booked a loss of 7,500 rupees for today, and there is no point in trading in this market for now. Okay, means at least for today. Why I'm saying this, the way premiums are behaving, wait, let me show you the premium behave. This one, okay, no, yeah, this one. Look at it, the way it is moving and the way market is moving. Okay, this is Nifty's trade. Okay, and wait a while. Yeah, and this is this PE movement. Okay, it is moving very horrible. Look at the intensity of its rise. Okay, ये इतना high move कर रहा, although this is still 150 points away. This is still 150 points away from here, but the movement, the intensity is huge. Okay, so even if I am getting into profit of 5K 6K or whatever, so what is this doing, मतलब कि तुरंत वो प्रॉफिट लॉस में कन्वर्ट हो जा रहा है काफ़ी बड़ा. ओके, सो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट इन होल्डिंग द ट्रेड. आई नो अगर ये एक भी ग्रीन कैंडल बनाए जैसे ये अभी बन रहा है तो पुट विल क्रैश ऑल्सो, बट द थिंग इज इफ इट कंटिन्यू फॉलिंग देन दिस 7.5K ऑफ लॉस विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू 15K ऑफ लॉस इन नो टाइम, एंड मैक्सिमम लॉस फॉर द डे इज 10K. ओके, एंड वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस इन नो टाइम इट विल राइज टू दैट एक्सटेंट, ओनली बिकॉज क्योंकि यहाँ से और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि अगर ये इन अ मैटर ऑफ नो टाइम, मतलब कि अभी ये मेरा 3K का लॉस था और ये कुछ सेकंड्स में, लगभग 3 या 4 सेकंड्स में ये कन्वर्ट हो गया 8K के लॉस पे. ठीक है, तो हो सकता है ये 8K का लॉस अब 15K के लॉस पे कभी भी कन्वर्ट हो जाए, और आई डोंट वांट टू गिव लॉस इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू मेक प्रॉफिट इन एनी पर्टिकुलर डे. ओके, एंड दैट ओनली कॉज ऑफ द spike in the premiums. Okay, so it's better to get out of the market. I might try to collect some pennies at the end, but not now. Maybe after 2:30 I will try to collect some pennies. If I will do, then I will definitely let you know. Okay, so just be with me. Okay, so more or less this will be end for the day. Okay, this will be end for the day. I have tried a lot today. I have done a lot of adjustment today. In total 90 trades is what I can think of today I have done. So a lot of adjustment has been done from my end, but the spike in the continuous spike in the put premium is not letting me make profit. So this might not be a day for sellers. Okay, that's what we have to accept and we have to go with. Okay, so I hope you have learned from the adjustment which I have done and all the plans which I have told you, and I have just acted on the same. So if you have learned anything, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot for your time.